nagpabili na rin ako ng Berocca. Tsaka nag-gargle na ako ng vinegar na may salt para mawala siya. Nag-active na rin ako. Lahat na nga actually.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Hi mga soups! Magandang araw! For today's vlog tayo ay nasa taping ngayon. Medyo feeling unwell. Sakit yung dito ko. Pag lumulunok. So, I ordered sinigang.
Hindi naman tonsillitis?
Baka. Pero nagpabili na rin ako ng Berocca. Tsaka nag-gargle na ako ng vinegar na may salt para mawala siya. Nag-active na rin ako. Lahat na nga actually. Gawa ko throughout this morning. Kaya medyo late ako nakapag-vlog sa inyo. Ngayon, samahan nyo akong kumain.
Ang suka. Ito
Nakapag-shoot na kami ng 3 Excel.
Kasi dito sa dulo.
Medyo na-late kasi ako ng konti. Kaya nagmamadali ako kanina. Kaya hindi ko kayo masyado.
Pine mango?
Kasi.
Dessert niya madam. Yung may
Kaya bukas, masarap po yan.
Yung may pineso.
So, ang ulam namin ay sinigang, kare-kare, kaldereta, at liempo. Ito pa, ano to? Ito yung sa prod. Hati-hati tayo lahat dyan, guys. Kuha lang kayo.
Good afternoon mga zoobs. Grabe, what a day so far. I haven't shot anything because di ko alam. We've been so busy all morning. So first I took Aliyah to school. Syempre wala siyang baon ulit. So we had to go to McDonald's. And luckily we're a little bit earlier today to go to her school. So I took her to school. I came back. I had a nap until 9. Diana woke me up. I took her to taping. Major traffic, not so much. Pero yung trip home, sobrang traffic. And I only just made it home in time to pick up Mami Eileen, my mum and Mimi because they wanted to go to UP Town. So, but before UP Town, I had to pick Aliyah up from school because her school was also ending. And then, yeah, before that I actually put gas as well, full tank. And so we picked up Aliyah, and then I just now dropped them back at UP Town. But the problem was, we had to go back to the house because Mami Eileen left her phone. But from the house to UP Town, it took 30 minutes. It's honestly about 3 kilometers, mga ganun. Could even be less, but it's very, very close. It was just so traffic. Traffic today has been absolutely horrendous. I think I've been driving, it's 2:22 now, and I think the total amount I've been driving today so far is about 3.5 hours. And I haven't even started my day. But as you can see, I'm here now at the gym. So the kids will stay with their 2 lolas, and I will quickly sneak to the gym just for a quick session. It's just legs day, so I'm just going to do an hour. And then babalik ako sa UP Town para sa dinner. Although it won't be dinner time, it'll be an early dinner. I'm craving steak once again and basically protein. So yeah, and then I believe because walang school si Lele bukas, so feeling ko I'm picking up Diana mamaya. Sabi niya if I'm awake I can go pick her up kasi parang wala siyang service. So anyway, that's my long intro for today. I got to get to the gym and get this done, so let's go. Alright guys, I just finished up my gym session. So it was just under an hour. I think I did about 50 minutes. I was pretty tired because I guess we've been sort of fasting a little bit longer recently. I'm not sure if Diana mentioned yesterday, but we did a 24-hour fast, which was probably too long for me especially. But today I also did quite a long fast. I think it was about, well, I haven't eaten, to be honest. Just realized now I just had a few chicken nuggets. But it was probably like a 16-hour fast, maybe a touch longer. But yeah, it sort of messed with my energy levels a bit. I figured if you do it for a while, baka masasanay ka na. But yes, in saying that, I'm going to go pick up the kids. I'm going to go to UP Town, and I'll probably eat, because I haven't eaten yet. And the kids need to have dinner as well. So they're just at Kidzuna now with Mummy Eileen. And my mum is shopping. So I'll head over there and get something to eat and then head home.
Oh, yeah.
Still not feeling good, but laban lang. Eksena na ako.
Power!
Dito na lang. So, laban lang.
Boom! Boom!
May nagpa-fight sila. Tinuturuan siyang mag-fight. Ang cute. Dinner break kasi kami, kaya meron silang session. And maganda yung fight scene ni Georgina sa mga susunod na episode. Kaya abangan na yan mga sis. So for me, I have my strawberry banana chia in order to eat sa grab. Pang-energize.
You get me?
Evening po, dito po tayo ngayon sa taping.
Ready, standby!
Medyo isa na po pakiramdam. Kaya ako po muna mag-vlog ngayon. Medyo na ako, kaya hanggang alas-dos lang po tayo. Lalamig po si yung Diana Subiri. Kaya medyo kawawa.
Vlog yan, vlog.
Ayaw ko pala, di ba dapat one word lang?
Hello po, shout out po sa mga viewers ni Miss Diana Subiri. Hello po. Dito kami mga batang ngayon eh. Alam niyo si Miss Diana, pabait na.
May pustahan pa nga po kami.
Oo nga, para ano? Kape.
Pang pa kayong cup.
Iba po kayo yun? Yung mahit kay marker? Yes,
Ready!
Ayun po.
And 5!
Uy, huwag na yung kape mo, yaman na. Alimutan mo na yung kape mo, huwag na yun.
Mga zoobs, magaling na ako. My God, yung nangyari sa akin sa taping is sobrang first time kong na-experience yun. So, hapon pa lang, umaga pa lang masakit na yung lalamunan ko, nagagal ako ng Bactidol, ng suka, ng may asin, ng warm water. Kasi syempre pag nararamdaman mo ng may sakit ka, you need to parang prevent it kasi nararamdaman mo sa katawan mo na may something. So nung hapon na, hindi ko nararamdaman yung init. Sobrang init. Pero ako, sa room namin kasi naka-aircon, nilalamig na ako. So nung bandang late night na, talagang nilabas ko na yung chair ko doon sa room namin kasi nga I'm not feeling good. Tapos syempre, wala rin akong gana kumain. Hindi man ako nahihilo. Pero alam niyo yun, yung tipong wala kang panlasa kasi syempre lalamunan yung masakit sa'yo. Gusto mo man kumain dahil iinom ka ng gamot. May ganong pakiramdam. So nung finally, yun na nga, nung lumabas na ako, doon ako parang nag-chills. Nag-chills ako doon sa initan ha. Hindi naman kasi siya malamig na eh. Nilabas ko na yung kama ko, yung bed ko sa dressing room para doon ako mag-try mag-rest. Tapos nag-chills na ako. Hindi ko na talaga kaya. And then they asked me to lang kung gusto ko nang umuwi. But sabi ko, tapusin ko lang yung isang eksena kasi kailangan naming tapusin yun para ma-close namin yung isang week. Anyway, madali lang naman, nakatayo lang ako. Kaya yun, sinundo na ako agad ni Andy. Tapos, thankfully, hindi siya naligaw kasi hindi gumagana yung waist niya dahil nawalan siya ng load. Yung kapatid ko, hindi niya contact dahil wala lang siyang load. Buti na lang, medyo kabisado niya from our place going to that location na medyo malayo. But nung natapos na ako, yun na nga, saktong-sakto nandun na siya. So, yun. Salamat sa production, sa pag-intindi ng nangyari. And I hope hindi ako masyadong nakaabala sa inyo. So, yun lang. Ngayon, magaling na. May konting hirap pa rin sa paglunok. Pero, bumili kami ng betadine, yung ginagargle. So, malaking naging tulong niya. And then, I took vitamin C. Dahil, syempre, I think it's over fatigue. And, yun nga, kinailangan magpahinga sa mga susunod na araw. So, okay, mag-alala guys. I'm okay and I'm really grateful na saglit lang at hindi tumuloy yung lagnat ko. So, yun. Thank you so much for watching this vlog for today and see you again tomorrow.